In a move to modernize local fire detection and marine safety, SYTIS has donated and began installing 3 PTZ cameras for the Morro Bay Fire Department. The project marks Morro Bay Fire as an early adopter of cutting-edge thermal imaging, giving our local first responders the tools to spot wildfires sooner and safeguard our coast and neighboring communities. Phase 1 of the project began on October 17th with the installation of the 5-mile camera on the Nutmeg Street water tank.
We also are going to be putting another one up at our water reclamation facility that'll give us a view of the Black Hills open space area. And then the one on the fire engine's a very unique design. It's going to be mounted on our Type 3 wildland engine, so we can use it when we're on a wildland fire and use it for identifying hot spots on the fire's edge that we need to focus energy on. It'll also have a neat benefit and we'll go on a motor vehicle accident or a vehicle fire with an electric vehicle. We can use that to monitor the battery's condition and see if the battery temperature is starting to rise and know if there's something happening before we actually have a fire start.
What it is, it's a radiometric thermal sensor. It takes surface temperatures, and with the surface temperature using the thermal, you don't need visible light. This is actually going to be really important for the fire service as well, is that, when it's really smoky or foggy, we may not be able to see through that, but with the thermal technology, it can actually see through the smoke and fog.
Deployed across wildfire monitoring zones, SYTIS PTZ cameras has played a key role in early detection efforts. The Morro Bay project represents a new chapter for SYTIS, applying its technology to port safety and faster detection of marine-related incidents.
We have one here on the Nutmeg water tank, and that one is going to give us a nice view of the harbor, Morro Rock, and the Embarcadero. And that way we could look for shipboard fires as they start, climbers on the rock, or water rescues to locate the victim in the water.
Also with the thermal technology, because it is looking at heat, if there is somebody in distress in the water and they're still above water, because the water is so cold, there's going to be a big difference between their body heat and the water. So you'll be able to spot them, where they might not be visible, just through the naked eye.
Together, SYTIS and Morro Bay Fire are empowering local heroes to see clearer, respond faster, and keep the coast we call home safe.
I'd just like to thank SYTIS for this donation and this partnership. I think it's going to be a really interesting thing that's going to just enhance the safety of our community.
SYTIS. Predict, prevent, protect. Discover how SYTIS's PTZ cameras can revolutionize your operations.